Okay, I just finished work, so time for a new adventure. I think I'm just gonna go to the beach, to Porto that I've already shown you, and also gonna go to the other nice viewpoint next to Porto. So Monte Queimado, I'll find the name. Let's go. Let me show you. That's my hotel. That's my hotel. It's very nice. I really recommend it. Damn, I really need to go to the hairdresser. My hair is starting to look very messy. Yeah. Oh, you know how I told you? You know how I told you about all the forts that I've noticed in Fayal? I've talked to someone who explained to me that at some point there were more than 40 forts here. And the reason for that is that it was like a key port in the Atlantic trade. Not Atlantic trade as slave trading, but just in general. Because that's one of the last points where you can get food and stuff before you sail for the Americas. So it was a very strategically important place, and there was also lots of piracy, so it was super important to have it well defended. If you're wondering, so here is Monte Guia, so that's where we've been last time. And I want to go up there, which is called Monte Queimado. So, and here you have Porto. So you have a nice view on Horta, which is further that way, and on Pico. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go through the city. There is a path there, and I can go all the way up there. Otherwise, you can also go the other way around that way. But I prefer it through the city. It's nicer. Okay. So I think after I went up there, I'll just watch the sunset from Porto Beach. Because I've not yet tried the water there. So we'll see how it goes. Hola. Whew. This is just a very chill little hike, you know, just to end the day on a good note and show you a bit more about the surrounding of Horta, as during the week you cannot really go elsewhere. And there are lots of things to discover also here, so worth it. When I tell you the view is cool. Tough, and it's always tough when it's steep, but a bit tough. Look at that. That's a cool view, isn't it? Very, very nice. Yeah. You see, that's why I like Rifts Island. You just walk 20 minutes and you're at a very nice viewpoint, and you can see Horta and see Pico, and it's just super cool. So Monte Queimado, I really recommend it. It's usually what people do is they do Monte Queimado and then they do Monte da Guia, which is the other hike, and that takes what, a good hour? Now, yeah, an hour and a half, an hour. So it's not really long. It's a bit physical, but it's really worth it. Especially when you just arrived. Let's say you arrive on a Sunday here, everything is closed. It's quite cool to just, you know, walk around and discover that. Also, if you don't have a drone, this is the next best thing to have a cool view of Horta. So yeah. So what's next? I'm just gonna take a few more pictures, and then I think I'm gonna go to Porto to wait for the sunset. Has been a long time since I've actually been on a beach for real, so it's gonna be nice. C'est un peu froid. Okay, the water is a bit cold, but that's super nice to be watching the sunset from here. I not realized, but I recommend you guys do it if you come to Horta. It's one of the best things about it. You see, this is what I find super cool here. It is almost 6:30 Azorian time, so the sunset is getting close, and there is no one on the beach. I have the beach for me alone. In which country and which place do you have that? Rarely, especially for a beach that is that famous. I guess also because it's winter officially here, but I mean I'm wearing a t-shirt and I'm fine. The water is a bit cold, but I'm sure I could actually swim in it and be okay. So yeah, that's a good argument if you want to come off season. It's never really cold in the Azores, except when you go up, like in the calderas, etc., where it gets much cooler.